Today we're here in Peacehaven near Brighton. We've come to see CR Allen, who is our existing customer. They've invested recently in our DCS20 DPF cleaning machine and also our CC14 engine cleaning machine. So let's go inside and check out the operation.
So we're a general mechanical repair business. We specialise in Land Rover generally, but we also work in all sorts of other makes of vehicle. So we've now branched down to do vehicle tuning, and our latest venture is a DPF cleaning. We had sort of tried other products in the past and found they weren't working for us. Had a few comebacks, so we started looking into investing into a proper machine to do the DPF cleaning. We looked at other different manufacturers, but found some of their customer service, and then none of them actually got back to us. But from the start, Carbon Clean, they replied responsively. They got us to have a demonstration of a piece of equipment as well, which was really good. And from the quality of the product and the way it cleans is amazing. We also do carbon cleaning. Our old machine we've been using for the last 4 years actually failed and needed some parts, but due to the parts coming from another manufacturer, we couldn't get the parts easy enough, so we invested into a new DC14. Because it's a UK-based company, there's always someone at the end of the phone to help us if we get stuck with any technical problems with it. Again, it's a great machine.
So as you can see, it's a very successful long-term independent family-run business. They're future-proofing their business even further by investing in our quality products. And if you'd like information on how it can help your business, please contact us directly or visit our website.